how to fix Instagram add to story problems on Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open your settings of your phone, and then you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will scroll down to Instagram application. You will click and you will go now directly to storage, and on storage you will click clear data, and then you will click OK, and that's it. It will work with you. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.